Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to send PDFs and documents to your Amazon Kindle 11. First of all, you're gonna have to reach the Amazon website, sign in to the account you have linked to your Amazon Kindle, and open this page, which is amazon.com/send-to-Kindle. Once you're here, you'll simply have to drag and drop your files by clicking Select Files from Device. Then you're gonna have to select a file from your File Explorer. For example, we have this one right here. And then click Next or click Send and wait until this file is sent to your library. Then you can return back to your Kindle. Okay, now let's wait until the Kindle is synchronized, or let's swipe down the control center and type Synchronize right here. And the file that we sent should appear in our library. Here we have it. Let's download it. And open it up. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.